Hey everyone, it's Jay-Z. Regarding the Jungle Scout coupon code, just wanted to make you aware that if you are a veteran, they do offer a discount for veterans. You can save 15%. All you have to do is contact them here at support within 30 days, and they should honor that discount. As far as a code right now, I would just say I wouldn't be too concerned about that because of the value that this tool is going to bring to you. As well as the fact that within the first 14 days, you can request a refund if you are not happy. Being an FBA seller myself, I would encourage you to focus on the big things. Certainly discounts are nice, but as I said, they do guarantee their product. And look at what we have here from these different entities. The most helpful Amazon software in the space, the best resource for data-driven product research, that's Forbes. These are all big names. Look at that. Entrepreneur handles the heavy lifting on big data analytics. Inc. helped thousands of Amazon sellers avoid failure. That's what you want to do. Wall Street Journal, their software helps sellers decide what products to offer. So here you have it right there from your site, some great testimonials. And as a user of Jungle Scout myself, I would highly encourage you to use this tool. It's a terrific tool, will save you loads of time, give you good data and information. So let's have a look at it. Hey everyone, it's Jay-Z. Let's just have a quick review of the Chrome extension for Jungle Scout. Notice that we have done a simple search on Amazon for blenders. So here you see the list of blenders. Right up top here, you can see I have the extension for Jungle Scout. Let's click on that and you can get a glimpse at what Jungle Scout will give to you. Notice that we have the product name just as they're listed here on the page. So you can scroll and check out some things in the background as you look at your list. You have the brand if it's available, the price. What's cool about this is you can see the reviews. Well, right up here at top, of course, everything's kind of summarized for you. You get the average price and so forth, the rank. But check this out. You can look at how many sales are estimated that they're doing per month. You can get a quick look at the rank, of course. You can look at the reviews, look at the rating, and then also if it's fulfilled by Amazon or if it's an Amazon product. So here you have FBA for fulfilled by Amazon. You have Amazon if Amazon's the actual seller of the product. And then you have merchant as well. So you can get those great insights. You can also get an idea of what the revenue is per month. Look at these whopping revenues on a monthly basis. So this is a great way to size up your potential competition, see if you want to get into this particular product category or not. Just a valuable all-around tool. Again, this is the Chrome extension. There is a web app, but just wanted to give you a quick look inside. If you're interested in this product, feel free. There's a link below. You can get connected up and started today. All right, happy scouting.